Hello and welcome everyone. Well, I'm slightly blinding myself on the sun. Today, you can probably see and tell what we're doing. First of all, sorry about noise. Fish pond, can't do anything about that. So you can see, we have a bucket seat. You can guess what car this is going into, but you can also probably guess it's a bit tattered, a bit destroyed, but it cost me nothing. So if it's cost me nothing, it owes me nothing. If I can get it working, great. If I can't, then I'm just going to at least clean it up. Basically, a massive shout out to Ian, who is someone that Jordan knows. He basically was throwing it away, didn't want it at all. Again, cost me nothing. Bit of patchwork and stuff to repair, but it's a little Corbeau bucket seat, which will be fine. Eventually, I'll put some Sparkos in the car, but again, if it's not costing me anything and I can save myself some money, then I will. I've got a mix of Oil Perfection and some other brands, but we'll go through that as we go through. Also a nice bucket of soapy water, which is warm because it's about 1 degree out here. Probably should have been waiting to do this on a dry day, but I don't have time for that. Alright, so what we're going to do is give the whole seat just a brush down with a dry brush to get off any surface crap. That's all we're going to do right the way around the seat. I'll bring you back once we are getting there. Now with just a simple wipe down, you can see it's looking a bit more respectable. I'm going to hit it with a bit of Oil Perfection interior cleaner first. It's for upholstery and stuff like that. We'll slowly work that in across the seat, see what happens next, and then add some water and take it all out and we'll see what happens. I've got some foam as well, which I'm not too sure if I'll mix that into there, but we shall see. Some Oil Perfection Elevate, all we do, give it a shake, spray it on over the seat, and Bob is your uncle. Hopefully you can see it's come up a bit better. There we are. Let's turn it into the light quickly. But there's still some bits which we can get up inside. Got a smaller brush for those. What I feel like I'm going to do is get some of this little cheap foam stuff, because what it will also help do is to bring out some of the extra crap that's a bit more built in. We'll give it a good going over. Product here, it's pretty cheap, costs like 3-4 quid. I've used it on cars before which have had like slime and stuff stuck into the seats, and it brought it out quite well, mixed with a hot water bucket and some furry washing up liquid. The only reason I'm going to use it is to help bring out some of the extra crap, because I think there's a lot of dirt built direct in. This stuff clean that up beautifully, but the problem is it's not like a super deep cleaner and I don't want to use a load of it, but that will work pretty perfect on a car that's actually looked after, not a seat that's been sitting in the garage for 2.5 years. Oh, see how cheap it is because it just falls apart. Seat that isn't like this, don't use it. If you've got a brand new pair of Sparkos or something really nice, just go over with some Oil Perfection Elevate, because the interior cleaner on that is really good. Gonna grab myself a brush and work it all in. So that is where we're currently at. And according to the internet, and it's not too bad, according to the internet, white vinegar and water will help stop any sort of mould coming back if it's a bit deeper and I've not got to it. Because I didn't put anything for the seats, I'm going to give it a go. If these had anything other than just plain fabric on, I probably wouldn't do it. If they had leather or Alcantara at all, I would not go anywhere near putting vinegar on it. But they didn't cost anything, and I suppose if I needed to, I could just work out how to refit them myself. Or reupholstery it myself. It might be another video. Who knows? Anyway, this stinks. But so I've gone over the whole seat with the vinegar. I'm pretty happy with how that's turned out, if I'm honest. I'll let it dry down, and then yeah, we'll see if it actually fits me in it. I'm sure it will. I'm not big at all. I am dying from a cold. Could be coronavirus, who knows. But look at that. I'm very happy with that. We'll let it dry down and we'll see the final result. Just the last finishing bits. All I've done is got a little bit of Auto Perfection Elevate, sprayed it on very gently over the top, just to bring up some of the vinegar. On a little microfiber cloth, just wiping it over everywhere. It still needs a hoover, but that's it without being hoovered. Also sprayed a bit of Febreze just in the vicinity so it drops onto it and again takes away some of that vinegar smell. A little bit of staining up here, but to be fair, I think that will just come away. Ooh. I think that will just come out with a bit of hoovering. Good hoover in there. The mouldy bits are gone. It looks a million times better. What I'm probably going to do is get a strip of Alcantara, run it up along here, following this seam right the way around, and again just on this side, just to cover the hole. These little patches on the back I'll just sew together. Again, get a little patch in there, just in that bit there. Only reason for doing that is just to make sure it doesn't get any worse. Yeah, so a little bit of Alcantara on these, or something that's a bit more hard wearing, who knows. And then in there as well, you know, just get the last little bits of Alcantara, or get a little bit of things to stop any of the bits breaking. Other than that, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. So if you haven't guessed yet, put in the comments what car you think it's going in. It's not the Ibiza. It might be the Coupe, might be the MX-5, could be the Morris Minor. It's not that though. Yeah, put down what you think it'll go in, and whether you think it's worth getting 4-point harnesses at this point in time or not. It's something I'm definitely going to do, but is it worth buying it and start going through that now, or do I focus on other things? Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Give it a like if you did. Comment down below again what car you think it's going to go into, and whether you think it's worth getting a 4-point harness. Have a lovely rest of your day. Subscribe. I'm going to grab a tea again because it's cold and I feel ill. See you all later. Bye bye.